Just looking here, there's clouds over the hills over here. It's all cloudy there over the hills. Another skinny road just down there. Look at that for a road. So that's the car park. There's a car park just in here on the right if you want to climb the Sugarloaf Mountain. You can see, I don't know if you can see the mountain from here now. Sugarloaf Mountain's over there. So yeah, so you come down the N11 and you'll see a sign saying Glendalough, and you can come this way that I'm after coming, or you can come a more direct route that brings you to Glendalough, and you'll see the Sugarloaf, and you'll take a left turn then onto this road here. There's loads of sheep. Hello sheep, are you well today? And there's the Sugarloaf in the distance there. I think I've climbed up that about maybe five times maybe. I just love all these windy country roads here. I love driving. I love driving on roads that are real country, not much traffic on them, and are windy. Don't ask me why, but I just love it. I'm hungry. Can't wait to get some grub. Right, so I can't eat indoors because I forgot to bring ID with me, even though I had a certificate, the COVID cert here to say that I had 2 vaccinations. They won't let you eat. Won't let me eat indoors because I've no ID with me. I left it at home, unfortunately. So I think I'm going to go for an 8-ounce homemade beef burger. Oh wait, no, or chicken breast burger on a gourmet Brescia bun with lettuce and tomato, topped with our homemade Wicklow farmhouse smoked cheddar sauce, and served with skinny fries. €15.50. Right, so I'm after paying €2.80 for this paper cup of tea. I'm not very impressed. That's a rip-off. Definite rip-off. Not impressed, my friends, not impressed. Right. Look at my face. I'm not very happy. That's a burger and chips, right? That's after cost to me €15.50 for that crap, right? And a paper cup of tea, €2.80. You know, they're asking people to staycation in our own country here in Ireland, and yet they come and they rip the people off. That is outrageous. Not impressed. Not impressed at all. I'm not a stingy person. I don't mind spending money on food and stuff, right? But that was just, to me, a rip-off. That wasn't good enough, you know. And the funny thing about it was, I went to a pub in Dublin last Saturday, and of course, you know, food in Dublin is dearer because it's Dublin, right? And I went into what was it called? I think it was the Porterhouse pub in Temple Bar, and again I got a burger. And not really into burgers, but our menu was crap. There was no potatoes and veg and stuff, right? And I paid 17 something in that pub, right? And again, that look at the little car here, look. Isn't that cool? Yeah, anyway, I know I might come across as something as if I'm being too picky or stingy, but I'm not stingy and I'm not picky. Right, I'm still annoyed. I'm still annoyed over that dinner escapade there. Outrageous money. Look at that lovely look. See the flowers in the people's houses, they're gorgeous. Yeah, but getting back to it anyway, it's my own stupid fault anyway I seen the price on the menu, and I should have just walked out and, you know, went somewhere else. But that's twice now I feel I'm after being hard done by, right? And the thing about it is, right, the paper cup, right, you know, with the COVID thing and all this, they say, oh, you know, we give it in the paper cup. They give it in the paper cup, right? I think that's bullshit, because I've been in places since the COVID thing, and you get a real pot of tea, right? And a real cup to drink your tea out of, right? And they hand me a paper cup of tea for €2.80, and I was stupid enough to go ahead and buy it, you know. So yeah, I'm annoyed. But anyway, I learned my lesson the next time. I'm not going to buy another burger, and that's for definite. You know, there's a shopping centre in Dublin there called Blanchardstown Shopping Centre, and I go up to it regularly enough, right? And there is a department store there called Dunn Stores, right? It does, you know, clothes and stuff for your home and all that. But they have a cafe in it, right? And I keep saying right all the time. Anyway, they have a cafe or a restaurant, you want to call it, in their department store. And you can get a carvery dinner, a turkey and ham carvery dinner in that shop, right? Here I go again, right? Watch where you're going there, person in the car. Anyway, so I can get a carvery dinner in that shop, turkey and ham carvery dinner, veg, roast potatoes, gravy, big dinner, right, for €10.95. And if I get tea, you're talking 11 something. And you call to these places here, and they give you this crappy burger. I mean, even if there had been a side salad on the plate with the burger and chips, you could kind of say, well, they tried, you know. But it was just measly, and it wasn't even nice, really. It was just okay. And I gave them €15.50. I gave them €15.50, and also when you go to pay, they have a tip jar. Looking for tips, right? They should be tipping us at them prices. Anyway, that's just me ranting about that particular restaurant pub. I won't be going there again, my friends. I'm not trying to put anybody off going there, but I won't be going there. That's for definite. I'm not doing that again. Ridiculous. Anyway, onwards towards Avoca. So Thomas More Memorial Park. So this is the meeting of the waters. It's two rivers meeting. I forget the name of the two rivers. I'll put it up on the video. But yeah, this is called the meeting of the waters. So there's picnic areas here if you want to sit down and have a picnic. I have no idea the name of the river here. One of them goes into the other, if you know what I mean. And I don't know the names of the two rivers, but I'm sure it's on an information sign over here. But anyway, let's go over and have a look. Okay, the Meeting Bridge. So there's one river. Now that's the main river, is it? And here is the one that comes into it. Just trying to see what it says here. Okay, so the Meeting of the Waters is the name given to where the Avonmore, big river, and the Avonbeg, the little river, join before going on to enter the sea as the Avoca River at Arklow. Okay, so that one is the big river. So that's the Avonmore and Avonbeg, little river. So big river and little river. But there's a craft shop, a B&B over here, and I'm sure there's a cafe restaurant over there too. Right, tranquil enough little place, but that's more or less it. What's this tree in here for? Look. Something about this tree, obviously. History, Thomas More tree. Oh, Thomas More tree. In 1911, More's famous tree at the Meeting of the Waters in Avoca County Wicklow was re-erected, having fallen down some years previous. The tree was knocked down again in inclement weather in 1938 and was subsequently re-erected. The tree fell again and sections of it were carried away in 1964. And at the time it was re-erected on the site which it occupied until 2008, when the tree was damaged, fell from its site and was virtually washed away in the river. So the local community, through the Vale of Avoca Development Association, is actively working to improve this park and to increase awareness of its wonderful heritage. Okay. You know something, I'm ashamed to say I have no idea who Thomas More was. 1779 to 1852, was he a poet or was he an academic? Was he a politician? You know, what influence did he have on Irish society? But just reading here, it says, oh, he was a poet. Thomas More, is Ireland's national poet, composed his immortal lyrics, The Meeting of the Waters. Oh, so he wrote a poem about the Meeting of the Waters. There is not in the wide world a valley so sweet as that vale in whose bosom the bright waters meet. Oh, the last rays of feeling and life must depart, ere the bloom of that valley shall fade from my heart. Sweet vale of Avoca, how calm could I rest in thy bosom of shade with the friends I love best, where the storms that we feel in this cold world should cease, and our hearts like thy waters be mingling in peace. Yeah, pretty nice poem, all right, pretty nice poem. Look at this, a little girl, 8 years old, put this sign up here. Isn't this the most beautiful place? Please don't leave your litter where it doesn't belong. Thank you, Amira, aged 8. And the girl is 100% correct. I absolutely can't stand people who are litter bugs. I can't stand them. You know, if you haven't got a bin, there's no bin nearby, bring it home, right? So there it goes into the... So the little river goes into the big river, and near Arklow it goes into the Arklow River and into the Irish Sea. So this is the meeting at the waters, right? Where the little river goes into the big river. There's two Irish names and I just told you about them there. Forgot about them already. I'm impressed and I'm not oppressed at the same time. You know what I mean? It's lovely. Lovely surroundings, but I don't know why. I don't know what I was expecting, but anyway, this is the meat of the waters, my friends.